If equipped, driver memory settings let you store 2 different memory profiles for easy recall through memory buttons. Each profile contains custom position settings for the driver's seat, side mirror, and adjustable pedals if equipped, and a set of radio station presets. You can even link your key fob to a memory position. You'll find the buttons next to the driver door handle, labeled 1, 2, and S for set. To recall either of the 2 pre-programmed memory profiles, push the appropriate button. Keep in mind, recalling a memory profile will erase any settings you haven't saved, including radio station presets. To create a new memory profile, cycle the ignition to the on-run position. Next, adjust position settings to your liking. Push and release the Set or S button, and within 5 seconds, push and release memory button 1 or 2. It's that simple. If you want to link one of the driver memory positions to your key fob for recall anytime you unlock the doors, select Personal Settings Linked to Fob in your Uconnect system. Then, to program the key fob, turn the ignition off. Select Memory Profile 1 or 2. Push and release the Set or S button on the memory switch. Then, push and release button 1 or 2. Memory Profile Set 1 or 2 will display in the instrument cluster. To finish, within 10 seconds, push and release the lock button on the key fob. Now, anytime you unlock the door, your comfort settings will be automatically recalled. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.